Good morning, sir. How are you? Morning, sir. I'm fine, sir. Welcome. Okay. Please sit down. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. So, what brings you in here today? Sir, I actually wanted to talk to you about that my pay raise. When you recruited me, you said that if we work very well, after some time there can be a raise. Oh, so I have been working very hard and I always come early. So and anything that they tell me to do, I always do it very well. So sir, that is what I came to talk to you about. Okay. All right, the company is in a little bit of a tight situation right now, but I will look into that with the accounts department, and definitely once we set loose a little, we will get back to you concerning that aspect. So thank you, sir. Thank you. Have a great day then. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, engineer. How are you? I'm fine, sir. I'm fine, sir. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Really good having you here again. So, what brings you up here today? Okay, sir. I actually came for us to discuss my salary situation. When I joined the company 6 months back, you said within the first 6 months, if there are significant improvement of results, then you are going to consider a pay raise. So actually, for the past 5 months, I've been able to reduce the amount of fuel used by the drying department by up to 23%, and that saves the company over 350,000 francs monthly. As well as I've been able to introduce the drying of filter cakes to sell as organic fertilizer, which generates between 40 to 80,000 francs weekly for the company. And as well as I've been able to intervene 8 times for the filtration department, and at each time the filter shuts down, the company loses over 1 million francs. So with all this put together, I came to discuss with you so that we can re-evaluate the stakes. That's why I'm here, sir. Thank you very much. Oh, all right. Those inputs are really considerable. I've really been looking into that, and I think you have brought in enough for us. I really encourage you to keep doing more. So definitely by next week, I'll work it out with the accounts department, and by next week you will receive an email of a raise proposal. So thank you very much for bringing that up. It was actually in my mind. So okay, sir. Thank you very much. I'll be waiting. Thank you. We realize here that both employees request for a pay raise, but one speaks with facts and statistics, while the other is depending on the goodwill of the management for a pay raise. So, catch you guys in the next one. That definitely deserves the subs.